Hi guys, welcome back. So now that our exe file is downloaded, so let's just open it. Click on next, then accept and then choose the destination folder. So I'm just clicking on next. Next we are going to install So you can install Python either way, either through Anaconda, or you can go directly to python.org and install the latest version of Python from there, and then you can install one Python interpreter. After installing Python, you need an interpreter that reads and executes code. IDE. Okay, so now that it is completed, so just click on the next and then finish. So we are taken here. So now so then now that the Anaconda installation is finished, so just go to start, and then you can type here Anaconda, and now you can see here Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda Prompt. Okay, so just we check both of them one by one. So let's click on the Navigator. So we all know what is an IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment, the base interpreter of Python. Like if you have worked in C, C++, you must have used IDE, like Turbo C++ for coding in C++, right? And if you have done programming in Java, then you must have used IDE Eclipse, where you used to write and execute your code. So it's the integrated development environment where you will write and you execute your code. Okay, so we have IDEs in Python like PyCharm, and then we have Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so here for beginners I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook. So we can now launch it through both of the ways. So I had just gone to Anaconda Navigator, right? So you can see here this is opened. Okay, this page. Okay, so now we want Jupyter Notebook, so just go to launch, and now you can see here that our Jupyter Notebook is launched. Okay, so we will start our writing codes and execute it here. Okay, this is a web-based browser, sorry this is a browser-based IDE. I'm so sorry. Okay, so there is another way if you want to launch your Jupyter Notebook. Okay, this is a browser-based IDE. Okay, so if you want to launch it through the prompt, then go to Anaconda Prompt. Okay, here you will have to type Jupyter Notebook. You can see that your Jupyter Notebook is launched. Okay, so now we are ready to start the basic codings, right? So we are doing it in. So we have installed Anaconda and launched Jupyter Notebook. Now we will just go on the basic things of on the basic knowledge of Python.